MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig from divatress.com. I have the link below. Please click on it. I also have some coupon codes for you down below as well. So let's talk about this amazing, super fun wig that I wanted to try. So I have seen it. Its actual color for the marketing is simply amazing. Look at this orange color. It is amazing. How much fun is that? She's rocking it out, no doubt. And also what is really great about this wig from Sister Wig, it's part of their Beyond the Imagination. I mean, look at the box. Hello, gold. I want to be a part of it, right? And today we are. So this is, of course, like I mentioned before, from Sister Wig, and it is the style BYD Lace H in the color, in the style of Moni. So this color right here is actually the Sam RT Mojito that I'm going to be showing for you. So this actually, I'll show you it. I believe it's considered, even though it doesn't say in the description, but it's like the oil slick. Look how beautiful that color range is. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at these curls too. Wow, just beautiful. This is a very full wig. I did do a little bit of plucking in the center, just a tad, nothing too crazy. So let's look at the construction of the wig. There is 2 clips on the sides. Sorry, wait a minute. Oh, sorry. There are 2 clips on the side. They're just a little bit more on the sides. And there is one in the back with the fasteners, of course. So I've already cut it and it's ready to go. I already brushed it slightly. I feel like it has extreme minimal shedding. You can wash and apply heat products up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose. I mean, let's look at it. Wow, wow, so amazing. There are so many amazing colors in this wig. There's this purple that, it looks so good. I mean, literally there's so many. Please check it out. It is worth checking out and looking at. So let's put it on, right? Let's get to it. So here's my wig cap. It is nude. I got it from Amazon.com. I have that link down below as well. So let's just hide all of this red hair so I can transform into a turquoise Mojito dream, right? Okay, let's just see if I actually hid all my hair. I sometimes forget, and there's little pieces of red just poking out. Okay, looks good, looks good. Okay, here we go. Let's put it on. Like I said, this is a very, very full wig. In fact, when I first put it on, I felt a little bit like Betty Rubble from the Flintstones. I was like, oh my gosh, I am channeling Betty, right? Wow, look how great this is. And what's actually really neat about, oh, let me just do a better job at putting it on, is that with this front, you can actually play with it, like how you want this curl to go. She has it definitely more like flipped over it, and I don't mind that, but I do kind of like, and also when I brush it, I kind of brush up with it. Wow, I mean, and I do the same thing here. I feel like when I brushed up, it gave it more of a better look. Oh wow, I mean, people, let's look at this. This is amazing. I mean, when I first put it, initially it feels very full, but on camera and in pictures, it just looks perfect. I don't think anyone can fight that. What do you guys think about this amazing gradation of this color, this oil slick? And it has this great like steel to this very earthy blue versus a vibrant blue, which is what I really also love about it. I feel like I look so good in blue wigs, blues of all sorts. So I am so happy to have this a part of my collection. Again, it's from divatrust.com. And also what is even more amazing about this is about $30. And of course there are coupon codes which I have down below for you, so it will be even less. Praise the Lord, right? I mean, what else can you say? So, oh my god, I don't know what else to say about it other than I really love it. I feel like it's just so bouncy and fun and kind of springy. I'm actually really interested to see if I wear like a bandana over it and kind of flare it up or pin it back. I do so much with wigs. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Please let me know. I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you would wear it. If you have this in another color, I would love to see this in another color if you have it. So please reach out to me. Thank you all for stopping by, and please hit the subscribe button on the side here, and of course also hit the little bell so you are notified of the wigs, because you don't want to miss an amazing wig like this without hitting the bell. So again, thank you for coming by, and check out all the information below for this great wig and all the coupon codes from divatrust.com. Thank you. We'll see you soon.